Hey guys, what's going on? In this video, I'm going to be talking about the Bolsa Supply Zaku switch. I've had these for about a week now and really been enjoying using them, so I thought I'd make a quick video for anyone who may be thinking about purchasing them, as they are available now on the Bolsa Supply website. So if you've never ordered from Bolsa Supply before, this is the way that the switches arrive, in a bag just like this one. And it's also worth noting that these switches are only sold in packs of 10. I've actually gone ahead and purchased 10 packs, and the majority of them are in my keyboard right now. So let me give you guys a little bit more information. This is a 5-pin linear switch manufactured by TalkZZZ, featuring a polycarbonate top housing, a nylon bottom with a palm stem. The actuation force on these is 63.5 grams with a double spring. More on that in just a second. But here you can really see that 5-pin switch design. So your 2 metal pins here, and then your 3 plastic ones. So really perfect for hot swap boards. Next, we can really break the switches down a little bit further. So I'm not going to spend too much time talking about the top and bottom housing and the leaf design, as those are pretty standard. Instead, I want to focus on what I think are the 2 most interesting elements of this switch, which would be both the stem and the spring. So let me start with the stem first. This switch actually has an extended stem pull, which you can see here. And now let me talk about my favorite aspect of this switch. Here you can see that double spring a little bit better. So that is going to be joined at the center there. And what that does is it works as a progressive spring, helping to soften the bottoming out experience, which it's a subtle effect, but it's definitely there. So let's take a look at the switches in an actual keyboard. Here you can see that simple and clean aesthetic. But also you'll notice that south-facing orientation compatible with keyboards that have switch lighting. And now finally we can do the sound test.